Hi guys, how we doing? Right, next video. Okay, so here I am on the home screen. I'm going to double click into our app which we've created so far. So far we've got a gallery, we've done the Twitter stuff, we've done the maps, done the Facebook. Next we're going to show you is how to do something like the guides, and what we're going to do here is we're going to set it up so that when you click on the guide it will bring you up a list of different attractions. For you guys it might be a list of different movies, it might be a list of different sports teams, it might be a list of different artists, music artists. When you click on it, it will link you to the next page which will give you quite a lot of information about that person. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to work from the bottom here where it says guides. So we're going to click and we're going to press edit. So we clicked and pressed edit at the bottom here. We need to go to actions, and at the moment it's a standard screen. To be honest, we're actually going to leave it as a standard screen. Okay, so we're just going to press save, and here is our standard screen. At the moment the screen title says screen title, so we're going to click where it says screen title and press edit, and we're just going to put guide and press save, and that should just change it there for us. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to insert some stuff here which are called image links. So you can see over here where it says standard screen items, it says image link. We're literally going to press image link, and you can see over here this is what it's going to look like. So we're going to have an image, little image here of our icon, our sort of location, for example the O2 Arena, a little title and a little bit of text, and when they click on this it's going to link to another page which gives them a lot more information. So let's do the first one, let's upload an image, and let's find an image to use. Let's do I'm trying to think what I've got information about. So I've given you a lot of information which is in the pack which I'll tell you about in a second. So let's do the O2, sorry, the London Eye. So the London Eye just here, okay? So let's upload my image, and it should appear in this box in a second. There we go. The title, we're just going to put the London Eye. I'm just going to delete that. We're not going to put any text because that all the text is actually going to be in the next page. And where it says action, so we've got our image, we've put the title as the London Eye and we've deleted the text, okay? Where it says action, what we're going to use, we are actually going to use a standard screen. So let's just press save. And you can see here now, there's our first icon. So when they click on this, double click on it, this is the page here which is going to bring them to. Okay, so what I'd like to do is put an image at the top. Let's insert an image. Sorry, just to show you that again. Delete this and I'll show you this again. You click where it says image under standard screen items. Click image, and we'll upload another image, and we're going to use the same image we just used of the O2. Okay. It's loading up slowly. There's the image, and press save. So once they've clicked on it, once they've clicked on the previous page, it's going to load this page up of just the image, and then let's add some text. Okay, so I'll show you again. Oh, I rushed ahead there. We just click under standard screen items, text. And in here we can put as much text as we want. Okay, for you guys for this project I've put in here lots and lots and lots of text. The red text is the one you can just literally highlight it, copy it and paste it. The only thing I'd make sure you do is just make sure it's nicely spread out, so make sure if there's any paragraphs, make sure they are nicely spread out, and press save. And you can now see that here's all the information about the London Eye. Again, the screen title needs to change. So let's edit. So click on the screen title and press edit, and just call it the London Eye, and press save. So there is our first one done. Okay, so that is literally the London Eye done. So we can press back, and we can now add another image link. So I'm going to show you one more, and then you're going to do the rest of them on your own. Okay. So we're going to do the next one, image link. The next one we won't do Wimbledon. You can do that. We'll do the Shard. Okay. So we're going to upload an image. I'm going to find the image here of the Shard. It's going to upload. I can then change the title to the Shard and delete the text. And it's standard screen already. So just press save. And now here is we've got the London Eye. Let's double click on the Shard, and again we're going to insert an image. So this is our standard screen, so we're going to insert an image and upload another picture. If you guys want to use other pictures that you find on the internet, so if you want to get another picture of the Shard, you can do. That's entirely up to you. So the Shard here. It's slowly going to load up. I'm just going to make sure, yeah, that's right, that's fine. Press save. And the next bit we're going to add below the image of the Shard, yep, you guessed it right, is some text about the Shard. Obviously we need the tourists need to sort of know a bit of information. So you can delete what's there, and you can copy in the information that I've sort of already researched for you, okay, which is here. I'm going to copy that, right click paste, and again I'm just going to make sure that any paragraphs are nicely spread out. Yeah, that looks good, and press save. So you can see the text is there below it. There's a little bit of information for people who want to know. Again, just change the screen title to edit that. And change that to the Shard and press save, and there, so if we press back, we've now got the London Eye, the Shard, and in here you can just do as many as you like. Okay, I want you to do the ones that I've researched for you. If you want to do others, you can do. So you've got the London Eye, Wimbledon, the Shard, the Tower of London, the O2 Arena, and Big Ben. So they're the ones that I've already done the research for you. Okay. If you wish to use others and want to do more, by all means do that. Okay. I'm going to leave it there. Oh, sorry, I'm not going to leave it there. What I'm going to do, so once you've done that and you've set your guides up for the different tourist destinations, we're going to come back to home. We're going to navigate back to home, and on the guides screen at the top here, the icon, we're going to click and edit. We're then going to go, when it loads up, we're going to go to action, and we're going to change the action, and we're going to again do the jump to tab, and we're going to do it to jump to the guides tab. Okay, and press save. And just so you can see how it works, then we'll come out of our app, we'll double click into it. If we double click on the guides, and there you go, there's our guides. Okay, if we come back to home, we can go to Twitter, which we've already done, and there's all of our Twitter feeds. Double click back to home, we can go to Facebook, and it should load up our Visit London Facebook page. It's quite slow, so it is loading up. There we go. There's all of our Visit London Facebook page. Our gallery should be working as well, so we can double click on an image. It'll load it up. If you want to add other stuff in images, you by all means go for it. I'm just giving these as your demo, okay? Right, so we've got quite a bit. We've also got our map working, haven't we, as well? Quite a lot of our app is done so far. The restaurants and the theatre ones, they're going to be very similar to the guides that we've just done, but obviously instead of attractions, restaurants, we're going to add in different restaurants. and for the theatre, we're just going to add in some reviews of existing shows. So in the next 2 videos, I'm going to show you how to do the restaurants and the theatre. We're then going to also do YouTube videos. Right guys, see you later.